Right, guys. Oh, the old shed, shed. Right, it's the head shed. It's stupid o'clock at night, and I'm out here with a filler and a rasp. Look here, my mate Rasputin, raw Rasputin. All right, I've got a few tins as well. Anyway, filled that. Done that, done that, done that, done that, done that, done that, done this, done that, done this, done that, got this, done that. Now, what I'm going to say to you guys is, yeah, it's a rough cut. It's a rough cut because I've been doing it with a bloody rasp. I will say, I painted these, see this? Painted these, bloody. Yeah, well, okay, let's put them back in. Sand black. Right, so, they're done. That's done, everything else is done. This is the biggest bloody bulge because it's so badly bent in, but it's coming out. I'm going to cack that one. These right well alone at the moment because my assistant says he don't want me to do anything unless he has got the wiring in for the headlights and indicators, so. I know you're going to say, like, yeah, what's the comment? It's a dog is for life, not for Christmas. Anyway, so, yeah, it's my dog, and she's actually coming alright, because it's all metal now. Alright, it's got dents, it's got filler, it's getting like every bit of tin of filler I could find. I got this one, it's like this one's going off. I got one over there that's going off. I got some. The one that really gets me. I love this one. You seen this one? Yeah. Look, I'll read you the title so you can just laugh. Big boy. Big boy. Yeah, right. Okay. So I'm gonna put loads of big boy in it. We got the lights to do. We got the interior's been done. Now, I haven't shown you the interior because I know you guys are like a bit like, how can you put it? If it's not done by Suffolk and Turdley, it isn't, it's scrap, isn't it? So, you know what? I will show you what we've done. Right? Now, you're not going to see it now because I've just bought the camera, so Lee, do not do that. So there's the metal panels, right? See that? Rust killed. And they actually have vinyl rubber, and then it goes into foam and goes to the back. The actual bit of trim has gone in. My daughter's got it. So these are actually done. I had to repair this one, as you can see. I had to put a little bit in the bottom of that. But in reality, you know what I mean? It's going to be fine, guys. It's going to be bloody fine. And what I'm going to say is every day, and we are running out of time, that's it. I'm running out of time. I am running out of time. So I am going to try I'm moving up a gear. I've got some B-post welding to do. That's what that little bit there is. You probably spotted that, didn't you? You thought, where's he going to put that? Well, I'll let you think about that. Because you're so bloody clever. It's 50 years old. Actually, that isn't 50 years old. That's actually brand new. So, I'm punting in a 50-year-old car. Yeah. There are some morons out there. Trust me, guys. Anyway, so, I've still got this to do, which is on the list. I'm not going any further than this at the moment. So I'm doing all that there. I'm not doing this at the front. Now the front is actually not too bad. Front's actually pretty bloody good, to be honest. And we got a few issues with the front which aren't that big. The bloody gaps have come out really quite nice. Bonnet's fitting quite nice. I actually think it's looking good. So I don't know what you think. If you don't think it's looking good, then don't look. Don't look, mate, because I'll tell you what, it could be worse. It could be in your bloody shed, couldn't it? You'd be struggling like an idiot with it. But No, I think it's all good. I think it's good. It's good. We're going to have a good blast. Because I'm not a bodywork guy. I'm a mechanic, for God's sake. I can do all this crap because I don't actually admit I can't do it. So, you know, my biggest problem is I say, of course I can bloody do it. And someone said, well, how do you know how to do it? I said, well, I don't know how to bloody do it. And I'll tell you one thing I'll say. If I get it wrong, right, I can always have another go, can't I? Yeah? So, at the minute, that's how far we've gone. This is how far we're getting. We're gonna get it. We're gonna. If it's in my power to get this picture bloody E Type 60, it's gonna be there. Oh, I'll tell you something else, just for good measure. The low fuel warning light works, and so does the fuel gauge. So there's a bloody turn up for the books, isn't it? Because my own bloody E Type doesn't. My low fuel gauge don't work. My low fuel don't work. But yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. We got it all. We're getting there. Like British Rail said, we're getting there. So I got the welding on the B post on the left hand side to saw. I got some welding on the back, the C posts to do. But I'm not worried about it because there's so much strength in the car at the moment. The car is actually so much strength. I'm not going to worry about it. So we're gonna keep going what we're doing. What they say, it wasn't worth doing. Let it rust away. Yeah. Well, you know what, guys? I think the people, if this it doesn't get edited out, I think the people who say things like that are the people who haven't got an E-Type. So they might not have one, which makes them go, well, I'd rather have a really good one than a crap one, which means they'll never ever have one, doesn't it? Anyway, like and subscribe, talk to you soon, and if I upset you, go and cry somewhere else.